Hey, so many surprise eggs!
I like it! Let's go! Okay.
The shark car presses a button.
Wow.
The egg
it's a
machine
nice
drops out one egg.
Thank you. Okay.
Let's tap it with a hammer.
Okay. Good job. It's so nice.
Let's build together.
It's amazing.
First, the front is ready.
Thank you. Let's go. Nice. Good job. Very nice.
Now the body and the
Okay.
wheels.
Come here. Woo!
Hey,
I got it.
the shark car helps add the
Wow,
exhaust
it's a
pipe
nice
and bucket.
slide. Let's go. Good job.
The excavator is finished.
Thank you.
Thank you, shark car.
Okay. It's my time.
Excavator.
So nice.
The excavator has a long arm and a big bucket.
I like it. Let's go.
It goes to the construction site.
Okay.
Look, it changes into a drilling machine.
Yes.
It drills the road.
So nice. Wow, it's a nice slide. Come here.
The dump truck comes to help.
Look at this.
Dump truck.
Let's go. Okay.
The excavator changes back
It's my time.
and loads rocks into the dump truck.
Good job. Nice. Okay. Let's go.
Now let's dig more dirt.
Yeah. Yeah. It's my time.
Great, the water pipe is found.
Okay.
It changes into a grab excavator.
Amazing.
The old pipe is taken out.
Come here.
A new pipe goes in.
Yeah. I got it. Okay.
Mix a truck.
The cement mixer arrives just in time. It fills the road back up.
Nice slide. Okay. Good job. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.